Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share some essential tips to help you change lanes like a pro. Mastering lane changes can make your driving smoother, safer, and way more efficient. So let's dive in. First things first, planning is crucial. Always scan the road ahead and behind you. This gives you a complete picture of your surroundings. Try to anticipate the traffic flow and spot gaps early. Remember, the more aware you are, the better decisions you can make. Next, let's talk about signaling. This might seem basic, but you'd be surprised how often people forget. Signal your intentions at least 3 seconds before you make your move. This gives drivers around you enough time to react, keeping everyone safe. Now, checking blind spots. Mirrors are great, but they don't show everything. A quick glance over your shoulder can save you from a potential accident. Make it a habit to always check your blind spots before changing lanes. Alright, let's move on to speed control. When you're changing lanes, make sure you're matching the speed of the lane you're moving into. Speeding up or slowing down abruptly can confuse other drivers and lead to dangerous situations. Lastly, be patient and courteous. Don't force your way in if there's no safe gap. Wait for the right moment and make your move confidently. Remember, a smooth lane change is a safe lane change. So there you have it. With a bit of planning, signaling, checking blind spots, controlling your speed, and staying patient, you'll be changing lanes like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel Driving Tips for Success.